Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Apple Intelligence to give you the key points of a paragraph on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. So now with Apple Intelligence, you can now take a paragraph and turn it into a key point. So let me show you how to do this. So here I've got a paragraph which I've copied from Wikipedia about ChatGPT and I've pasted it in the Notes app. Now to get the key points from this paragraph, you want to go ahead and highlight the paragraph, tap on it, and then tap on Writing Tools. Now from the bottom here, you'll see Summary, Key Point, List, and Table. You want to go ahead and choose the key point. Now this will analyze the paragraph and will take out all the key points from that paragraph. Go ahead and tap on Replace, and that will replace the key points for those paragraphs. So there you go. That is how to use Apple Intelligence to give you a key point of a paragraph on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.